Toastmasters, General Evaluator and Sumitra in particular. Today we are attempting to sell us Smart Speak. And let me evaluate your speech through the project guideline where you had to take us through a selling process through 4 steps. Attention, interest, desire and action. Let's see how well you did it. Attention. You caught our attention immediately. We can never forget the parrot in the oven. And you maintained that attention throughout by ending with that musk deer where the scent goes throughout the valley. So the attention was maintained, you had logical connects in your speech, and that was very, very attention grabbing. What about interest? You maintained our interest. You told us when you talk about only listen, you are 1D, then you move on with actions, you become 2D and your voice donation is 3D. You gave us messages about why you should join the entire Smart Speak program, and you maintain that interest very, very logically. I cannot forget that Valentine's Day is coming near and you need to speak to somebody, your memory and your conversation skills are required, your impromptu speaking is required. So that was brilliant. Coming to desire. Now here I find that there was simply a disconnect because I will not be urged to take over a Smart Speak program unless I know the cost of the program. And once you mention the cost of the program, you should say this is the cheapest over here. The Smart Speak program, you can gain better speaking, better thinking, better listening only for 2,000 rupees. So you didn't mention the cost, so the narrative became a little drabby over there. And also the desire has to be generated with a USP. Remember the project guidelines, a unique selling proposition. What was so unique about your Smart Speak that is not given by so many other Speechcraft programs by other Toastmasters? Why does it make... We have eminent people in our people who are going to train you, Bosco, Arun, Vijay, who are going to rock the entire. We have district champions like Rajdeep Manmani. Okay. Which are going to run your Smart Speak program. That is the USP. So the desire would have been created over there. And lastly, the action. I thought the action also could have been called better by you asking people to have any objections. Would you have spent around 1 minute or 2 minutes asking people what they wanted or what objections they have and could have cleared it, you would have ended the sale much better. But however, Sumitra, since you are the only lady speaker, I can't avoid composing a poem on you. So the poem goes like this. Today you urged us to take up a program called Smart Speak, and in this attempt, you almost reached the selling peak. Just a little bit of objection handling and call for action would have all made us a selling giant and you a smart geek. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rajdeep. Our next speaker was Vijay Anand and he was evaluated by Arun John Matthias. May we have